On this Teacher's Day, we, the tiny tots of nursery, KG, first and second, want to pay our gratitude to all our lovely and awesome teachers. Thank you, ma'am, for teaching us to love nature. Thank you for teaching us the importance of personal hygiene. You taught us how to be fit and active. You teach us to respect our elders and take care of them. We love learning by doing. You give wings to our imagination to create masterpiece. I love your eyes. You help us to read with feelings and expressions. You inspire us to write beautifully. You taught us that God is one and we should respect all the religions. You taught us to be self-reliant. We are away, still we are connected with our school and friends just because of you. You work so hard just to ensure that learning never stops. Dear Principal Ma'am, I like you very much. You love all the children so much. You are our inspiration. You have lovely long hair. Your eyes are so beautiful. Ma'am, I love your smile. I like your voice. Ma'am, you teach us sharing is caring. You are very pretty. You taught me how to solve the problems. All my teachers are hardworking and talented. They are ready to help us. I am lucky to have a teacher as wonderful as you are. My dear teachers, always guide us, support us, and teach us. Today is the day to thank you and say Happy Teacher Day.
नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मुश्किल राहों पर गिरते उठते और संभलते हैं, हम थक भी जाए पर देखो वो कभी न थकते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो हमारे साथ चलते हैं, हमारे साथ चलते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। जलाते हैं, फिर प्रेम और श्रद्धा से नया विश्वास जगाते हैं। वो टीचर ही तो है जो सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं, सच्ची राह दिखाते हैं। तो बोलो गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, नन्हे से कदम लेकर जब आए पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को हमारा प्यार। जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वहीं। थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वहीं। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही। मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नई पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान, ऊंची भरी उड़ान। मुझको मुझ में ढूंढा दी नई पहचान, नन्हे से परिंदे ने ऊंची भरी उड़ान। दूर उस गगन में उड़ते फिरते गाते, तराने हम तुम्हारे ही गुनगुनाते। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम ही। धूप में भी जैसे थे छाँव के तले, कांटों की चुभन भी मन को ना खले। धूप में भी जैसे थे छाँव के तले, कांटों की चुभन भी मन को ना खले। दिया वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही। थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी, राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वही। थामा जिसने भी कल भी आज भी, राह पर चले तो राहबर बने वही। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही। वो मेरे टीचर थे तुम्ही, हाँ मेरे टीचर हो तुम्ही। We love you teachers, we praise you teachers, we thank you teachers.
देवो रुष्टे गुरुस्त्राता गुरुरुष्टे न कश्चनः गुरुस्त्राता 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 न संशयः। अर्थात जब देव रूठ जाते हैं तब गुरु रक्षा करते हैं, जब गुरु रूठ जाते हैं तब कोई भी नहीं होता। गुरु ही रक्षक है, गुरु ही रक्षक है, गुरु ही रक्षक है, इसमें कोई संदेह नहीं। जी हाँ, एक रक्षक के भांति आपने हमारा ये वर्ष शून्य वर्ष नहीं होने दिया। आदरणीय प्रधानाचार्य जी और सभी अध्यापकों ने इस कोरोना काल के कठिन समय में समर्थन और आशा के उपहार हमें दिए हैं। हमारा मानसिक संतुलन भी ठीक रहे, इसके लिए योगा, खेल, संगीत जैसे विषयों के लिए भी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस का आयोजन किया गया है, जिसके द्वारा इच्छुक विद्यार्थी लाभ उठा पा रहे हैं। आप सब अध्यापकगण कठिन परिश्रम कर केवल हम बच्चों का भविष्य उज्जवल करने में लगे हुए हैं। हमारा जहां रोशन करने आपके द्वारा किए गए विशेष प्रयासों के लिए हम नतमस्तक हैं। आप सब अध्यापक और अध्यापिकाओं के स्नेह और प्यार से अभिभूत कोटि कोटि आभार, धन्यवाद।
हमारा जीवन सुंदर है क्योंकि हमारे पास आप जैसे अध्यापक हैं जो हमारी परवाह करते हैं। आज इस अध्यापक दिवस के शुभ अवसर पर मैं आप सभी का दिल की गहराई से आभार और धन्यवाद करता हूँ। इस कोरोना महामारी के समय भी आप सबका अपनत्व, आप सभी का स्नेह हमें ऑनलाइन कक्षाओं के जरिए पता चलता आ रहा है। आप जिस प्रकार हमें नए नए तरीकों से पढ़ाकर हमारे भविष्य को उज्जवल करने में दिन रात लगे हुए हैं, इस कठिनाइयों के दौरान आप सभी किसी योद्धा से कम नहीं, क्योंकि आपके प्रयासों से ही हमारा भविष्य उज्जवल हो रहा है।
The world has shut down, but education knows no lockdown. From blackboard to the computer screen, picking up chalk to taking up video classes, correcting homework to uploading worksheets. The lesson of hope is greater than before. You continue to teach us every day. You are not letting this pandemic to affect our academics. You have gone above and beyond this year to support us.
We are happy to have teachers like you all. We enjoy every lesson you teach. You give motivation to know, to grow and succeed. You do all the extra efforts to help us grow. You give guidance when we face any challenge. Without you, we don't know where we would be. You make a major difference in our life. In these times, you have gone an extra mile for us. You offer guidance whenever we get lost towards the wrong direction. We will always be grateful to you for your support and kindness. Thank you for showing us kindness and teaching us with love. Thank you for being with us every time.
With the spread of dangerous COVID-19, the entire country has gone into lockdown mode. Our school has also been affected and had to shift to online classes, which kept us involved and up to date. Staying home is not boring anymore. We do lab activities and quizzes also in online classes. Our school students are leading a very happy and regular life sitting right at their home. Thank you, ma'am, for proving that learning never stops.
The days of current global slowdown, compounded with a pandemic across the planet, is a trial by fire. It is like the medieval practice of walking on hot coal, the ultimate test of character. It is when the corporate India is walking on the scorching coals and hopes to come out unscathed. An unexpected fallout of the pandemic has increased awareness about the innovations that are taking place in the education sector. But still, most of the parents either want their child to be a doctor or an engineer. Let us see some videos which depicts the irony of our Indian society.
Since your board exams are over, now it's the right time to decide which stream you have to take up for your further studies.
Yes, Mom.
So, I want you to take science and wish to see you as a doctor.
But Mama, I don't want to be a doctor.
Listen, doctors carry name and fame with their profession. Yes, you will have to become a doctor. Okay.
बेटा तुम्हें क्या कर रहे हो?
मम्मी मैं पेंटिंग बना रहा हूँ।
बेटा इन सब चीजों में अपना समय क्यों बर्बाद कर रहे हो?
मम्मी मुझे आर्टिस्ट बनना है।
बेटा तुम्हें आर्टिस्ट नहीं तुम्हें इंजीनियर बनना है। शर्मा जी का बेटा इंजीनियर बन गया है और तुम ये पेंटिंग कर रहे हो।
मम्मी इंजीनियरिंग मुझसे नहीं होगी।
Wow, your 10th class board result is out. You got 94%. I am so happy.
Thank you.
So which stream you will opt in class 11th?
I will opt humanities in class 11th.
I am the owner of a CA firm. You should opt commerce in class 11th and become CA.
No, I want to be a musician and I am good at music. I have won many medals in my school in music competitions.
Whatever you want in music, I don't care. You should have to opt commerce in class 11th.
Okay, I respect your dreams and will opt commerce in class 11th and become a successful CA.
हे भगवान, जब देखो ये लड़की फोन से लगी रहती है, कुछ काम वाम भी करना है नहीं। चलो बताओ, कौन सी स्ट्रीम चूज की तुमने? मैंने तो ह्यूमैनिटीज ली है। ह्यूमैनिटीज? नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। ह्यूमैनिटीज तो वो बच्चे लेते जिनका फ्यूचर में कोई स्कोप ही नहीं होता। एंड आई वांट योर फ्यूचर टू बी ब्राइट। अरे मम्मी, आपको कुछ नहीं पता, ह्यूमैनिटीज में तो बहुत स्कोप होते हैं। मुझे सब पता है, ओके? और वैसे भी शर्मा जी के बेटे को ही देख लो, साइंस ली थी उसने, आज तो डॉक्टर भी बन गया है। अच्छा खाता है, अच्छा कमाता है, तुम वैसा क्यों नहीं कर सकती? अरे मम्मी, आपको पता तो है मुझे साइंस बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद, और ह्यूमैनिटीज लेके तो मैं सिविल सर्विसेज, काउंसलिंग, फैशन डिजाइनर, आर्टिस्ट जैसे फील्ड्स में भी जा सकती हूँ। और कौन कहता है कि ह्यूमैनिटीज वाले बच्चों का फ्यूचर ब्राइट नहीं होता? रामजीत मनाली जी को ही देख लीजिए। ठीक है बेटा, जैसा तुम्हें लगे वैसा ही करो।
Is required a change of growth and betterment. We, the students of classes 11th and 12th of Red Roses Public School, Gurugram, under the able guidance of our esteemed teachers, will try to disseminate information on various innovative career options across various fields. On this Teachers' Day, we would like to thank them for bringing us face to face with many new, desirable, and unexplored professions that will enable us to think out of the box. In this dynamic yet grim global scenario, this knowledge will emerge as a ray of hope for us as well as future Red Roses.
Let's begin with a concept which will lead to enhanced diversification, job creation, and socio-economic growth, which will no doubt increase the scope of every stream.
Have you ever heard about the term blue economy? Is it an economy in the blue color or an economy where the color of the currency is blue? These were the questions which came into my mind when I first heard about the term. But then my teacher gave me an insight into it. So, blue economy. It refers to the sustainable use of oceanic resources for economic growth, to create more and more jobs, to improve livelihood, and finally to get to know about the ecosystem of the ocean. Blue economy, with its untapped and unexploited oceanic resources, seabed minerals, and renewable oceanic energy, could become a light at the end of a tunnel for this COVID-19 affected India. Maritime power with blue economy could be a way out of this pandemic-induced slowdown which is hindering our economy from prospering. It can also work as a growth catalyst in realizing the vision of becoming a developed economy at 2032. A blue economist gives advice on the administration of oceanic resources and about the use of sea and ocean water. It will surely enable our country to recover its growth momentum in the post-COVID-19 world of ultra-geo-economic activities.
Wow, your economy seems interesting. It will surely increase scope for everyone. Students of business studies can choose arbitrator as a profession. Arbitrators work in alternative dispute resolution. Arbitration is one of the ways legal disputes are resolved outside the courts and across international boundaries. It's used by many individuals and businesses, meaning both sides must agree to follow any final decision. An arbitrator plays the role of neutral person who makes decision on a dispute based on evidences presented by both the parties. The decision the arbitrator makes is not always legally binding, but if it is, individuals or businesses are not able to go to court if they do not agree with the outcome.
Sky is not the limit. This fits perfectly with career options in commerce field.
The stream of commerce offers a wide range of career options for you. One of them is a venture capitalist. A venture capitalist is a person or a company that deals in business ventures. In simpler terms, they provide capital to startups and even help in expansion. An investment from a venture capitalist is a form of equity financing. They provide funding and in exchange get an equity position in that company. Venture capitalists invest for long terms. They'll stick to a young company for years till it matures to a point that its equity shares have value and it goes public or is bought out.
No doubt, friends, in this dynamic world, every field needs innovation to polish itself. Let me highlight yet another fascinating career option, which is a blend of biology and information technology. It's bioinformatics. It helps in answering simple biological problems with the use of information technology. And it is also referred to as computational biology.
Bioinformatics has three main aims, that are storing the biological data, developing the tools that are essential to process the data, and the important goal of this is to exploit the computational tools for analyzing the data that simply depicts the results. It requires the knowledge for programming using either of C, Perl, Python, etc. Job prospects in this field are blooming and continue to grow with high demand and excellence. This career has very good scope in healthcare, drug discovery, and food analysis.
By pursuing this career, one can become bioinformatics scientist, microbiologist, zoologist, and much more.
There is always a positive flip side for every adverse scenario. Even the coronavirus pandemic has underscored an emerging field of epidemiology which focuses on the discovery of the cause of disease outbreak and the spread of illness. Epidemiology is the study of distribution of frequency and the determinants of the disease. Epidemiologists are the public health professionals who find out the pattern of human disease and put a stop on it. The role of an epidemiologist includes to analyze data and find conclusion, to give presentation to policymakers and communicate with them, to prepare plan of action and reports for potential health and threats, to create and manage public health programs. It requires professionals to do detective job and learn about the disease.
Now let's see what's new in the chemical world.
Nanotechnology is the branch of technology that deals with the study of extremely tiny materials and has greatly contributed to the major advances in computing, electronics, and the medical field. It is an emerging area that engages with almost all of the technical disciplines in the study and the application of extremely tiny materials. It is one of the top subjects related to the research and academics and is rapidly expanding its area of research with huge potential to revolutionize our lives and to provide technical solutions to our problems in agriculture, energy, the environment, and the medicine. It is the third highest booming field when compared to IT and internet and has huge scope for the upcoming generations. The Indian government has already started nanoscience and nanotech initiatives in various funding agencies such as the Department of the Science and Technology.
Physics as a field of innovation and creativity is not far behind.
Imagine going to a luxurious restaurant to eat delicious food with a bunch of friends. Great idea, but what if you could hear the loud noises of the utensils banging in the kitchen or the car honks from the outside? So much so that you have to shout at each other to really understand what is going on. Now that can be pretty annoying, and this is exactly what an acoustic consultant deals with. Acoustic consultants are professionals that specialize in sound-related activities, majorly soundproofing. Their expertise are required in pretty much all fields, from designing theatres to sonar navigation. Nowadays, these are also required in making soundproof rooms and studios for higher and clearer voice quality in educational videos. These technical specialists generally have a master's degree in acoustic engineering. Their salaries can go as high as Rs 40 lakhs per year.
I would like to highlight another interesting and innovative career option in physics. Mobile phones, laptops, etc. are basic necessity nowadays. What is required for such instruments to be operational? It's energy. But have you ever thought what cost we are paying for that energy? Have you ever wondered that will these be available for an indefinite time period for future generation? Answer to these questions lies in the innovation in energy production by using sustainable development. Many of graduate and postgraduate programs are there that integrates management of ecosystem service, sustainability and biodiversity conservation. One of the prominent career options in this field is of an environmental physicist who applies principles of physics to resolve environmental problems. They can work in remote sensing equipments and energy production.
Humanities is not just a stream. Just like science, not being limited to gravity. It is the art of basic living, a true sense of humanity. Let's peep into the immersion career options in this field.
Political science offers a wide range of opportunities when it comes to career options. One such career is in the Ministry of External Affairs. It is the government agency responsible for the conduct of foreign relations of India and is also responsible for India's representation in the United Nations. MEA advises other ministries or state governments when the latter have dealings with foreign governments or institutions. SSC conducts its graduate level examination with CGL exam every year. You have to clear its 4-tier examination with document verification to become an assistant section officer. Once you clear its 4-tier exam with document verification, you will receive your joining letter, and thereafter your 30 days training will start at Foreign Institute Services, JNU in Delhi. Being an explorer, this career opportunity will allow you to explore different countries of the world while working enthusiastically for your mother nation.
Do you love pets and psychology? If yes, then pet psychology is the perfect profession for you. Imagine having a dog that tears all your furniture and barks unnecessarily. A pet psychologist is a professional who deals with any number of behavioral problems with pets and offers solutions to them by studying them deeply.
Or if you are interested in medical field, you can be a psycho-oncologist. Psycho-oncologists use psychological skills and expertise to help and manage the patients undergoing cancer treatment and also provide support to their families. By being in this profession, you can empower the patients and their families to take positive and active roles in their cancer care and also help them to adjust in this difficult disease and be a light in their darkness.
Machine learning and artificial intelligence are evolving at a rapid pace every single day, from analyzing healthcare to sentiment analysis on social media. At a present age, it has evolved to a stage where robots are used as companions in the kitchen at a restaurant in Chennai. Human-centered machine learning can tell you the preferences of an individual through information processing and pattern recognition. For example, Netflix and Amazon Prime recommendations. Its scope is expanding across all fields in such as banking, gaming, finance, etc. And there are some of the areas where researchers are working toward revolutionizing the world for the future. How wonderful it would be to experience such a great creation where you just have to sit in the car and enter the location, and it will ensure a safe drive for you to the specified destination. And this is what automotive industries are doing, which is all possible with the help of machine learning. And in near future, it is possible that machines will overpower humans.
Do you like to do sketching, drawing and creativity? If yes, then the study of fine art will suit you. Fine art is a fine collection of art that is used to create beautiful things. The scope in fine art is quite good. You can earn both respect and money in one professional career. One of the interesting career in fine art is printmakers. Printmakers create images on silk screen, wood block, lithography stone, metal etching plate or other types of material. A printing hand press then creates the final work of art, inking and transferring the matrix to a piece of paper. The education you need for this is most fine artists pursue post-secondary education to earn degrees that can improve their skills and job prospects. A formal education is typically not needed for anyone to be a craft artist. However, it is difficult to gain adequate artistic skills without formal education. High school classes such as art, shop and home economics can teach prospective craft artists.
History is just not looking into the past but helps in shaping our future by providing various career options.
Archaeologist. You must have read about this word in your textbooks, but very rarely you will find people working in archaeological department. Archaeology means study of ancient human past through material remains. It is a subdiscipline to anthropology, which is study of varied human culture. The objective of archaeology is to study early human culture through identification, excavation and survey of historical sites. Archaeologists make use of their knowledge from humanities, social, physical and biological sciences. They also examine the ways of prehistoric societies in various parts of the world. There are various branches like marine archaeologist, environmental archaeologist, museum exhibition officer and prehistoric archaeologist. After pursuing your masters in archaeology, you can also apply for paleontologist, documentation specialist and a college lecturer.
Language shapes the way we think and determine the scope of our thinking. Let's see what new career this subject will unfold for us.
English degree today offers an enormous career opportunities. Today, everything right from banking to airlines industry are completely automated. Now, where do English graduates fit in here? Wait, let me tell you about an exciting career opportunity called the technical writer. The job of a technical writer is to prepare instruction manuals, guides and other supporting documents to communicate complex and technical information more easily. All the complex jargons need to be written in an easy to understand manner so that the customer can use the software more efficiently. Employment of a technical writer is projected to grow 8% over the next 10 years, faster than all other occupations. Overall, it is an exciting field for all English enthusiasts who love playing with words and simplifying technical jargons. Thank you.
When it comes to physical education, spirit of the game normally comes to your mind. पढ़ोगे लिखोगे बनोगे नवाब, खेलोगे कूदोगे होगे खराब. This perception has not changed. Physical education leads to a wholesome development of an individual.
Physical education is no more lacking behind. Physical educators who have also talent for writing may opt career as a sports journalist. The sports journalist may get an opportunity to work with newspaper and its sports magazines. The role of this profession is to write about live events, sports persons, or on the various topics about the sports. The covering of the sports events and reporting are the most vital part of this career. The story is based on research, compiling statistics, and interviewing of players and coaches are all the functions of journalists. In 1995, a new concept of digital sports journalism was introduced. At first, digital sports journalism covered a broad topics in scope, but on the time went on, internet becomes widespread, bloggers and location and team-specific websites started taking over the market. This is how the sports journalism had increased the employment.
Mathematics not only give you the reason to hope that every problem has a solution, but also ways to reach infinity. Last but not the least, let us see what new careers are emerging in this subject.
Mathematics is a subject that is both feared and loved. There are many interesting career opportunities in this wonderful subject which are different than the mainstream ones. Mathematicians interested in physics and the physical world in general may find meteorology to be interesting. It is the study of the Earth's atmosphere regarding weather processes and weather forecasting. Mathematics, especially calculus, is fundamental to this field of science, while those interested in business professions can look into actuarial science, which is the measurement and management of risk and uncertainty. Being an actuary requires the skills of asset management, liability management and valuation skills. The profession of an actuary was ranked number 1 in the list of most desirable professions multiple times since 2010. Mathematics as an aspect of humanity is necessary. There are still many problems that are unsolved till this day, such as the Millennium Prize problems and Spain's problems. Mathematics as a subject is very interesting and has a multitude of fields within it with lots to explore.
Indeed, these career options will enable students to stop following the herd mentality and simplify the process of choosing the right career according to their interest and passion. Now, through the medium of self-composed poem, we would like to express our feelings and gratitude towards our mentors.
Be smile contagious to all with the heart of gold that never falls. As my role model, you always set the bar high, but you have always taught me to try and try.
As a friend, you supported me, helping me to achieve my goals. As a teacher, you motivated me to be the best that I can be.
You are always there to help others, putting yourself second and acting like a mother. You are an admired teacher who's kind, caring, and a wonderful preacher.
You are always here for me to ignite the fire hidden in me. The way you help others to learn is something for which I always yearn. One day I am teacher too. I will strive to be just like you.
किताबें करती हैं बातें बीते ज़मानों की, किताबें करती हैं बातें बीते ज़मानों की, दुनिया की इंसानों की आज की कल की, एक एक पल की खुशियों की गमों की, फूलों की बमों की, जीत की हार की, प्यार की मार की, क्या तुम नहीं सुनोगे इन किताबों की बातें। किताबें कुछ कहना चाहती है, तुम्हारे पास रहना चाहती है। चिड़िया चहचहाती है, किताबों में खेतियाँ लहलहाती है। किताबों में झरने गुनगुनाते हैं, परियों के किस्से सुनाते हैं। किताबों में रॉकेट का राज है, किताबों में साइंस की आवाज है। किताबों का कितना बड़ा संसार है, किताबों में ज्ञान का भंडार है। क्या तुम इस संसार में जाना न चाहोगे, जाना न चाहोगे? किताबें कुछ कहना चाहती हैं, तुम्हारे पास रहना चाहती हैं।
My dear students, happy to be talking to you again. Let me start by congratulating each one of you for showing tremendous enthusiasm in your own learning by adapting to the new ways of teaching in the present times.
The global pandemic of coronavirus has kept all your bright and smiling faces away from the corridors of the school.
It is a sight that we all love and cherish.
Humans have taught us technology can help us come closer and interact.
All your teachers want you to take this time and think about how you have been impacted from this virus.
What are the lessons you have learned from this lockdown?
Each one of you has to contribute in becoming a global citizen by remaining a healthy citizen.
Take this time to enjoy your time with your parents and siblings inside your homes.
Each one of you must learn to become more aware and develop new ideas on how to live your life when you come out.
You, the future of our country, will have to lead by showing an example of how we could all come together despite being apart from each other.
Use every day to learn something new, something exciting, something that fascinates you.
For all the senior students from class 9 to 12th, this will act as a good time to reflect upon your career and think how you want to shape it.
Use this time to assess and evaluate yourself, your strengths and weaknesses. Think about what you want to become and why.
For the junior students, that is from classes 5th to 8th, this is the best time to learn personality development skills.
Use this time to get your fundamental concepts right, strengthen your understanding of the languages that you have learned.
Play game at home with your parents and encourage them to take time off from their busy work schedule.
For our tiny tots from classes nursery to 4, you need to listen to your parents as they know what is best for you.
Do what they tell you to do. Your home is your school and your parents are your teachers.
And just before we take a break, this is to remind you all to stay healthy. Use hand sanitizer regularly.
Wash your hands with soap every now and then. Try to reduce the contact with the things outside your home. Go out when it is absolutely necessary.
If you go out to the market, make sure you have a mask on and you do not touch your face the entire time. Come back home, wash your hands and your feet again properly.
Use this time to become healthier, kinder, wiser, stronger, and happier. And most importantly, enjoy your time at home.
In my interactions with you, you've all said that you're missing your school, your teachers, your friends. Let me tell you, children, it's the same here. I'm waiting for you to be back, children. Waiting to welcome you at the school gate as always. Because whenever I go to school, I miss your laughter. You're running in the corridors. You're playing in the playground. My heart goes out to your wonderful teachers who have worked very hard to ensure that you get best of education.